so far, paano ilalarawan ang iyong social life dito sa ating paaralang Caloocan Science High School?
Ang my social life in a nutshell, hindi siya masaya actually. Kasi I'm not a people person. Sanay sa tao, kaya hindi ko alam yung term ng social life na lagi nakikipag-join sa iba, laging may gala, laging merong kadaldalan. Sorry about the term. Kasi ever since kahit no elementary, lalo na nung mapagalitan ako, ako sanay sa tao, kaya yung social life ko in a nutshell, the senior high is actually absolute zero. Yeah.
So, in your own words, how would you describe that word friend o yung kaibigan?
Friend is someone you can lean on and you can always trust. Pag may problema ka, syempre siya yung laging kasama mo, siya yung laging nandun. Kahit hindi mo man siya hanapin, nandun siya. Parang siyang between.
Sa follow-up question lang, rin mo ba nahanap ko na yung kaibigan tinutukoy mo?
Right now, I don't think so. Kasi hinahanap ko ibang friend. Ang hinahanap ko talaga, pinaka-best friend. Pero pinaka-best friend. Pero yun yung mga nahanap ko. Siyempre mga friends sila, pero hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon. Alam ko na maasahan ko sila. Siyempre may problema din sila. Hindi ako pwedeng laging umasa sa kanila. Hindi ka tulad ng hinahanap ko.
Okay, so, may pagkakaiba ba? Is there a difference between the environment you had during junior high school and your current senior high school environment here at Caloocan Science?
Well, to be honest, there's really a big difference. Because back when I was in junior high school, people thought I was really a nerd and they often avoid me. They don't talk to me. Only when I talk to them and give answers to them. Because back when I was in junior high, I was the one giving answers. But right now, I am in senior high. I am the one looking for answers. Well, it's not like everyone will give me answers. Of course, I also need to do my part of self-study. It's not like I can always copy their answers, you know?
Yes.
That because that's cheating. That would be very, very bad.
Yes. So, tingin mo, do you find it difficult to mingle or socialize with the new faces in your section?
To tell you the truth, it's not really difficult to socialize with them. It's just that the problem is in me because I'm the one who doesn't want to socialize or to mingle with them. I'm fine being alone. And I'm also fine being with them. But if you will ask my preference, I will choose to be alone. Because I don't want to be a bother. And especially, I don't ever want to be a burden to them.
Paano mo nasabing bother ka or burden ka sa iba? Paano mo nasabi yun?
Kasi, yung sabing bother ako, kasi makulit talaga ako. Tapos, yung nakikita niyo tahimik, tapos, nasa isang lugar lang. I'm actually, what do you call this, a very energetic girl.
Yes.
And my energy I just hide it. It's really always in its maximum level. Whenever I'm sad, whenever I'm happy. Well, right now I'm showing you about 20% of my energy because masyado akong makulit. Pag masyado, nakakaya naman, pag masyado akong pinakita sa ibang tao, pagiging energetic, yun na lang yung ginagamit kong term, pagiging sobrang kulit. Minsan pepang din ako. Tapos, sarcastic din ako at saka masyado ako mapansinin. Bubag na konting kigot lang, ganun.
Pero bakit lumiiwas ka sa mga tao kung gano'n naman pala?
Gaya yung sinabi ko kanina, ayaw ko maging burden. In a way that I will always rely on you. Because once I trust a person, I trust him until the end.
Oh.
Kaya hindi ko agad binibigay yung trust ko. Kasi pag binigay ko yun, parang nasa utak ko, trust you are a worthy person to be trusted.
Yes.
Pero, yun nga, sabi ko, hindi ko agad binibigay kasi ayaw ko mamuling pabigat sa ibang tao. Pag masyado kasi ako naging trust, tipong lahat ng gagawin ko, sasabihin ko sa'yo, hihingi ako ng tulong sa'yo, mangungulit ako sa'yo, kukulitin kita, na konting bagay lang, pagpipil lang ko, blue or red, tatanungin kita. Di ba, hindi kasi naman.
If you don't mind, can I ask, is there any instance wherein you have disturbed a person? Parang kasi diba sinasabi mo na parang baka maging burden ka. Siyempre bago mo naman sabihin yun, siguro meron kang naging instance na gano'n or wala naman ba?
Well, actually, para sa on my part, meron na, in my own perception. For once, I wasn't able to answer an assignment. Actually, I didn't really answer it because I don't really know the answer.
Yes.
And I tried to ask one of my classmates. Of course, she's willing to give me answers, but in my mind, why the hell am I asking her answers when we're not even close? And if I can answer it myself, why would I ask her?
Yeah.
Then I didn't do anything. I didn't give any effort to do it myself. So for me, in that way, I became a burden to her.
Na it is not difficult to mingle or socialize. How were you able naman to adjust? Or if you are already adjusted or you already adapt to the new social surrounding, how were you able to adapt to the new social surrounding you have right now?
Well, I use my own mechanisms. Of course, I maintain respect. What do I mean by respect? When I see others that are talking of something else, they don't want to be bothered. Of course, I won't bother them. And when I see someone else talking with a close friend, especially when they appear to be talking about something sensitive, I will not listen to their conversation. I will maintain my distance. I will tell you, the way that I maintain my distance is the way that I show respect to you. I respect you for the way you are, for the way you and your group gather together. I respect you. And I don't want to bother you ever. And also, what else? What else did I do to be able to socialize? Being open. Being open in my own mind. Because I don't really know you all. So, if you show me something, I don't know if it means another thing. So, hindi ako agad nag-judge.
Yes.
Hindi ibig sabihin na, halimbawa, naging masungit ka sa akin, sungit naman ito. No, I don't judge that easily. I think of other possibilities. And with that other possibilities, I try to do my best to be able to socialize with you. For example, yung nakakang masungit ka, siyempre di ka maisipin, baka naman may problema lang to. The next time, hindi na kita masyadong kukulitin. Baka kasi meron ka ulit problema ulit. Baka mamaya, hindi na yan ikaw magsulit. Baka naman magalit ka naman sa akin. Ganun yung ginagawa ko. So I try to be open-minded all the time. And I try to be open to others. When someone asks me something, I answer them honestly. I try to help the best I can whenever they need it. Whenever I think they need it. But when the situation appears to be that they don't need it, then I'll just sit in my
Yes.
chair and